What if I told you that in 2025, you could prototype stunning user interfaces, generate wireframes from a single prompt, and conduct user research, all without spending a penny or needing advanced coding skills? Free AI tools for UI/UX design are democratizing the field, empowering designers, product managers, and even beginners to create intuitive experiences that delight users and drive conversions. Today, I'm diving into the top 7 free AI tools for UI/UX design that will accelerate your workflow, spark creativity, and help you build apps, websites, or products faster than ever. I've rigorously tested over 100 AI platforms, and these rise above the rest with their robust free tiers, no watermark outputs, and seamless integration into design processes. Stick around for a bonus tool at the end that's a total wildcard, and snag my referral links in the description for exclusive bonuses like extra generations or priority access to get you prototyping today. Welcome to Web Success, your essential channel for mastering the tools that fuel digital innovation and career growth. I'm your host, and with years of hands-on experience in UI/UX and AI experimentation, I've zeroed in on the 7 best free AI tools for 2025 that every designer, from freelancers to agency pros, should have in their toolkit. We'll cover everything from text to prototype generators to AI-driven user testing, with real-world examples, pro tips, and how these tools fit into your daily grind. Expect to learn how to cut ideation time in half, validate designs with data, and collaborate like a dream, all on a zero-budget plan. And hey, save that end spot. Tool number 8 is a free powerhouse that blends research and visualization in ways you'll wish you knew sooner. My referral links below hook you up with free trials or credits while keeping the channel thriving. Ready to design smarter? Let's launch! Leading the pack is Uizard, an AI-powered prototyping tool that transforms sketches, screenshots, or text into fully interactive digital mockups, making it a staple for rapid UI ideation. The free plan grants you up to 3 AI generations and 2 active projects monthly, with exports in formats like PDF or code snippets. No credit card required. Envision you're a solo product designer brainstorming a mobile banking app. You snap a quick sketch on paper or describe clean dashboard with transaction history and quick transfers. And Uizard's auto designer spits out multi-screen prototypes complete with clickable elements, themes, and responsive layouts in minutes. I put it through its paces for a fitness tracker, UI, turning a rough text prompt into a navigable prototype that included focus predictions for user attention hotspots, ready for stakeholder feedback. The benefits are massive. It democratizes prototyping for non-designers, slashes time from days to hours, and enhances collaboration by exporting to Figma or Code. If you hit the generation limit and want unlimited, my referral link in the description unlocks a 20% off starter plan. Pro tip: use the screenshot to wireframe feature to iterate on existing designs, like competitor apps, without redrawing from scratch. Next, Galileo AI steps in as a text-to-UI wizard that generates professional-grade mockups from natural language prompts, ideal for sparking initial concepts in UX flows. Its free beta access via waitlist provides limited daily generations with Figma-ready exports, keeping things watermark-free for personal use. Picture a UX researcher outlining an e-commerce checkout process. You input minimalist cart page with one-click payment and progress bar, and Galileo delivers high-fidelity screens with layout suggestions, color harmonies, and even accessibility checks baked in. I tested it for a dashboard redesign, prompting variations like dark mode version with data visualizations, and got 5 polished options in under 5 minutes that aligned with material design principles. The upsides? It accelerates ideation, ensures consistency across screens, and bridges the gap between abstract ideas and tangible prototypes, potentially boosting project velocity by 40%. Once off the waitlist, the free tier sustains hobbyists, but my referral link below fast-tracks your access and adds bonus prompts. Pro tip: chain prompts with specifics like inspired by Apple's human interface guidelines to tailor outputs to your brand style. Tool number 3 is Vizili, a no-code AI platform that crafts wireframes and high-fidelity mockups from text or screenshots, tailored for collaborative UX teams. The free plan unlocks full-core AI tools, unlimited projects, and real-time collaboration without watermarks, making it a no-brainer for starters. Say you're a freelance UX designer mocking up a travel booking site. Paste in user journey from search to confirmation with map integration, and Vizili's AI generates intelligent templates, auto-suggests components, and creates wireflows to map user paths visually. I used it to prototype a social media feed, converting a screenshot of an outdated design into a modern, accessible version with hover states and animations in 10 minutes. The advantages include seamless team handoffs, built-in usability heuristics, and export options to tools like Adobe XD, all while fostering inclusive design through auto-accessibility audits. My referral link in the description offers extended collaboration invites for free. Pro tip: leverage the AI screenshot analyzer to identify pain points in legacy interfaces, turning critiques into actionable redesigns. Rounding out the first half is Chroma, an AI color palette generator that personalizes schemes based on your preferences, ensuring harmonious and accessible UI elements. The free plan gives full access to unlimited palette creations, browsing, and testing, with offline capabilities for on-the-go tweaks. Imagine a UI specialist refining a health app's interface. You select 50 favorite colors to train the AI. Then it suggests combos, like calming blues for wellness tracking with high contrast accents, previewable on Mockups. I experimented with it for a fintech dashboard, generating palettes that pass WCAG standards automatically and integrated them into Figma layers effortlessly. The benefits? It eliminates subjective debates in teams, speeds up branding alignment, and enhances user trust through visually intuitive designs. Studies show good color use can lift engagement by 20%. No limits on the free version make it endlessly useful, but my referral link below connects you to their community for shared libraries. Pro tip: use the pair tester to simulate real-world applications, like dark versus light modes, before committing to code. Whoa, if these tools are already firing up your design brain, drop a like right now. It means the world for reaching more creators like you. And peek at the description for my referral links. They've got free waitlist skips, extra credits, or trial extensions that make diving in a breeze while helping fund more breakdowns like this on Web Success. We're midway through, with 3 more essentials plus that bonus waiting. Let's keep the momentum. Tool number 5 is Canva's Magic Studio, an AI-enhanced design ecosystem that infuses UI/UX with generative visuals and layouts, perfect for non-traditional designers dipping into prototyping. The free plan includes unlimited AI features like magic design and image generation, with thousands of templates and no watermarks on exports. Envision a product manager visualizing a SaaS onboarding flow. You prompt step-by-step wizard with icons and progress indicators, and Magic Studio assembles editable screens with auto-suggested fonts, animations, and brand kits. I leveraged it for a quick A/B test of newsletter UIs, generating variants with AI upscaled assets in 12 minutes that exported cleanly to PNG or video. The strengths lie in its accessibility, bridging UX strategy with visual polish, and integration with tools like Google Workspace, cutting feedback loops short. My referral link in the description snags you a pro trial for advanced brand unlocks. Pro tip: pair Magic Write with UI prompts to generate microcopy, like button labels, ensuring cohesive user journeys. Shifting gears to Microsoft Designer, a free AI visual creator that crafts UI concepts, icons, and layouts using DALLE integration, streamlining asset production for UX sprints. Tied to a Microsoft account, the free tier offers unlimited generations with smart templates for social, slides, or app screens, all watermark-free. Picture a UX team iterating on a dashboard. Input modern analytics panel with charts and filters in Material U style, and it outputs customizable vectors ready for import into Sketch or Figma. I tested it for icon sets in a meditation app, producing 20 variations with emotional tones in under 8 minutes, complete with accessibility previews. The perks? It fosters rapid experimentation, maintains brand consistency via kits, and supports multilingual outputs for global UX. My referral link below enhances your account with bonus image packs. Pro tip: use the layout engine to auto-arrange components, simulating responsive breakpoints for mobile-first designs. Our seventh powerhouse is ChatGPT, OpenAI's versatile AI assistant reimagined for UI/UX through prompt engineering for wireframing, user personas, and heuristic evaluations. The free GPT 3.5 plan delivers unlimited chats with no quotas, ideal for brainstorming sessions. Say you're defining personas for a gaming app. Prompt: create detailed user personas for casual mobile gamers aged 18 to 25, including pain points and journey maps. And it generates fleshed out profiles with empathy maps and scenarios. I used it to audit a checkout flow, prompting: apply Nielsen's heuristics to this description, paste UI text, and receive prioritized fixes with rationale in seconds. The benefits encompass endless ideation without tools, data-informed UX decisions, and scalability for solo or team use. It's like having a junior designer on call. My referral link in the description prioritizes your GPT-4 access if needed. Pro tip: combine with plugins like advanced data analysis for visualizing user flowcharts from survey data. And now, the bonus tool you didn't see coming: Visme AI, a free design platform that generates interactive UI prototypes and infographics from prompts, blending UX research with visual storytelling. The free plan supports unlimited creations with basic exports and collaboration, no watermarks for standard use. Imagine prototyping an interactive portfolio site. Prompt: animated timeline of user onboarding with embedded videos, and Visme AI builds editable layers with transitions and data widgets. I crafted a usability report dashboard in 15 minutes, pulling in charts from prompts alone. The advantages? It unifies design and presentation, adds interactivity like hotspots for UX testing, and scales for client pitches. My referral link below unlocks premium widgets for free. Pro tip: use the AI data importer to turn user analytics into live prototypes, simulating real behaviors. There you have it, the top 7 free AI tools for UI/UX design in 2025, crowned with the bonus dynamite, Visme AI. These aren't just time savers, they're creativity multipliers that let you focus on user empathy over grunt work, potentially transforming your projects from good to unforgettable. Whether wireframing apps or refining interactions, start with one today to see your efficiency soar. Swing by the description for my referral links. They deliver waitlist jumps, extra genes, or trials that ease your entry and keep web success churning out value. If this lit a spark under your next design sprint, hammer that, like, subscribe for weekly AI drops, and comment which tool you're firing up first, or what UI/UX challenge to tackle next. Thanks for crafting with web success. Until next time, design boldly.